In front of me is ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you'll be able to find all apps that can be updated. So you can either update one particular application, so if you'd like to update Google Drive only, just tap on Update right next to its icon. It will be at first downloaded and then installed. Just give it a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, of course, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser or some movie, call your friend, do whatever you want to. Then if you open the Play Store again, you will be able to see the current situation. And it has been done. Now you can find it under Recently Updated. But the second option is to update all applications at once. Just click on Update All and it will be done automatically. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.